Hello guys, how's it going? Quick video today for you. This is on the VW Scirocco, but it's the same on the VW Golfs, Audis and many other VW Group cars. So you might get a noise coming from the engine area, rattling noises like a can that's rattling around, and you'll find sometimes when you turn the AC button on it disappears. So that is usually the most common issue that I've seen is the pulley, so the AC pulley. As you can see, it's located. Just take the cover off. Once the cover is off, you can see the pulley here, which is this one here. It got 3 Torx 30 little screws there that you can see. As you can see, there's rust and dust on the top one, so that one was loose. So what happens is, as it spins, those metal bits are rattling. All you have to do is do them up, but you can also buy a whole new kit for like 15 quid. I'll put a link in the description below if you want. But all I've done is I've just done them up, all 3 of them, so they go all around the pulley. All you need is the Torx 30. You can get your hand in there. So as you can see, the pulley's there. Get your hand under there. Get on it. The tension of the belt should be more than enough to hold it on. And as you can see, that one was loose. I mean, it's hard to film it, but just do it up so it's not loose anymore. I will try and find the torque settings in the description below. But like I said, one there, the other one at the top, and there's one on the side there. You can get to them all, do them up, or you can take them out, put a bit of Loctite on them just to make sure they don't come out again. But that is, in most cases, will be your issue. So please double check. And like I said, when you got the car running, if you turn the AC on and the noise disappears, most likely it's going to be that. So I hope you find it helpful. Comment below, like the video and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.